In today's video, I'll show you how to get WooCommerce set up on your WordPress site. WooCommerce turns your website into a full online store, and it's easier than you think. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and look for the official plugin developed by Automatic. Click Install Now, and once it's finished, click Activate. Activation is crucial as it integrates WooCommerce with your site and unlocks all its features. With WooCommerce active, you can manage products, handle payments, set shipping options, and customize your store. Don't forget to explore the setup wizard for easy guidance through the essential configurations. And that's it. WooCommerce is now ready to help you run a professional online store. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips.